Morning guys, welcome back to Full Tilt Grading. It's May, it's 40 degrees outside, it's windy. We're working out in Buck, PA, right below Lancaster. So we're pretty much in Mennonite country, horse and buggies everywhere. We're here to do an Ethernet upgrade for At&t. Gonna be installing roughly 300 feet of 4-inch conduit. We're gonna be going into this shelter here. Not too sure as to where. We're waiting on the electrician to get out to get inside and see the best path. We're working at a radio station here, so we know we got a lot of utilities. There's 3 towers. So we're gonna have to be super careful. Just about every provider is here. Verizon, At&t, T-Mobile, FirstNet, all those good ones. Now we're gonna have to be super nice to the grounds here. Grass is real green, looks real pretty. We don't want to make a mess of the place. There's radio dishes everywhere because it is a live radio station called The Voice. Never heard of it, but I guess it's a thing. Got tons of utilities coming in, fiber and electric. We have some equipment there, a concrete pad. Sorry about that.
Now the land's gonna be coming up. Yeah, I mean, we got landscaping everywhere, and the iceberg is 5 feet high. We're gonna have to come in and go out that way, so it's a good thing we're not gonna. We see the strong, they end up tearing it all up anyway.
Oh my gosh, yeah. That beautiful, it sounded good, huh?
Yeah.
So, yep, like I'd said, that's the pole we're getting to. So let's start digging, see what we can get done today. Well, so far we're not making out too good. We have 4-inch pipes there. That's only 16 inches of depth. And we need at least 18. There was supposed to be a pool box right here, but we're not going to be able to put it in because of all these other pipes that aren't at the right depth. Sorry about the traffic. Loud. Now we plan on doing a little S here, feeding through. So we're on this side of the transformer. So that's going to be a little bit tricky. Gonna have to put the pipe together outside of the ditch and then bend it in. Yep, there's that power pipe. So we found a power pipe. We also found an orange introductory fiber in it. So our plan here is to use a 22 fitting to get around this corner, because we have to go under that pipe. We need 36 inches of cover, and if we put the pipe together and lay it outside the ditch and then flop it in, we're gonna never be able to connect on here. So that's the plan. Use a 22 and go under that 2-inch and go from there. Through with the bucket rather than hand digging. We're under it now. Ed will dig on that side of the pipe and we'll be all the way through. Start continuing with our digging. There's that inner duct again. Hold up! Now I'm ready. Go ahead. Good. Made out pretty good. Got about half a pipe in and backfilled. It's still working on grading. I only bought one bale of straw, so I can't really straw anymore today. Had a lot of stuff on the truck this morning, so we're gonna be back tomorrow anyway. We'll bring another 3 bales. Ed's gonna finish grading, and then we noticed that there's a propane line going there, and the tank is back here. Right here is where we're gonna come up with that 4-inch pipe. The electrician's cord drilled through for us. They're doing all the inside work. But anyway, here's this propane tank. There's the line coming down, copper, and obviously goes back that way to where we came.